Hi, my name is Melvin Benford. This is my 9th year serving this wonderful community as principal of Cathy Middle School. We are an A-rated campus and a 5-time Texas Honor Roll recipient. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to our virtual open house. We have a tremendous staff here at Cathy, and tonight you will have the opportunity to meet and hear from your child's teachers. For our students, we really miss you, and we are looking forward to the day when we can return to normal with having you walk in these halls and going to class each and every day. But in the meantime, we must continue the pursuit of excellence regardless of the mode of learning you are currently using right now. I know parents, many of you may have questions about the upcoming STAR exam. We will address that in future meetings, so be on the lookout for that. Right now, I'm going to turn it over to my assistants, Dr. Camacho and Mrs. Williams. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you, Mr. Benford. We are thankful that you have made time to be here with us tonight. It takes the school, community, and everyone involved to educate our children. Your presence here tonight demonstrates your commitment to your child's education. Open house will run from 6 to 7:30 p.m. And now, please help me welcome our Assistant Principal, Mrs. Williams.
Thank you, Dr. Camacho. Parents, you can access your child's teacher by going and visiting the Google Classrooms. In each Google Classroom, there's a classwork tab, and on that tab is an attendance form. Please fill out your information for documentation. Also, if you want to schedule a parent conference with that teacher, there's also a link for parent conferences. Now don't worry, if you missed it and you can't make it to the meeting, you can always come back to that Google Classroom and access the information.
Welcome, Cathy parents, to our first ever virtual open house. My name is Mrs. Mendoza, and I am the counselor for 7th grade students, as well as the counselor for 6th grade students whose last names begin in M through Z.
Hi, my name is Monica Valdez, and I am the 8th grade counselor, and any student in 6th grade with the last name A through L.
Hi, my name is Jody Bolness. I'm the social worker, and I provide referrals for public assistance, rental assistance, food, clothing, and utilities.
Our counseling department provides your child with a comprehensive guidance curriculum, which includes individual counseling, mental health support, responsive services, emotional intelligence, and academic planning.
Nuestro programa de consejería da servicios de apoyo de salud mental, consejería individual, referencia de servicios y de planeación académica, teniendo como base los componentes de las habilidades de inteligencia emocional. Estamos a sus órdenes para que vengan y nos permitan trabajar con sus estudiantes, con sus hijos.
So once again, thank you for coming tonight, and I hope you enjoy Cathy's open house.